Assalamu alaikum, students. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you all into English class, online class. And today we are going to study a grammar topic, and the name of that topic is adjective phrase. Okay, students. So adjective phrase will be the topic of our discussion today. But before coming to the explanation of adjective phrase, I want to ask, what is an adjective? You have already studied this concept in earlier classes, in primary classes. Okay, so what is adjective? Can anyone tell you? Tell me, sorry. Can anyone tell me in the chat? Or just raise your hand? Okay, who's going to tell me? Yeah, yes, Hamid. Write in the chat. Hamid is going to tell me today. Okay, Hamid. What? A word which tells about noun. Very good. Good, good. So it is also written on the screen also. You can see on your screens that an adjective are words that can modify or describe a noun. Adjective is actually related to noun, students. Okay. So adjective is related to noun. It describes a noun. It tells us something about noun, whether it can be a good thing or it can be a bad thing. Okay. So we have refreshed this thing. What is adjective? Now move on to the next slide. Okay. So there is another concept which needs to be revised, and that is, what is phrase? You have studied this concept in your earlier classes, and I want to ask you people whether you still remember it or not. Okay. G. Sayyida Zaral has raised her hand. Okay, what do you want to say? Write in chat. Write in chat, because I've muted you people. Write in the chat. Okay, what is phrase? It is, you can see on the screen also. Yeah, it's a group of words. Yes, it's a group of words which what? Which do not give clear idea. Good, correct, nice. So a phrase, as you can see on the screen, is a small group of words in a sentence that do not give a clear or full meaning. So you can see that it is a small group of words in a sentence that do not give a clear meaning. It means that we can break a sentence from anywhere, either from the start or in the middle or at the end, and we can take out a group of words, and that group of word or pair of words will be called phrase. So look at the example given below. First example is a big fat hen. Only these group of words are written here. So you cannot guess what is the clear meaning of these words, because they are not complete. They are not given in sentence. They are just a group of words or pair of words. So you cannot get full idea of what is being said here. Okay, so see, such kind of group of words you can see at the start of the sentence. Okay, so this is a phrase. Look at the second example, take away. In this example, you can see there is a verb over here, take away, and you know that in most sentences word come in the middle. So this kind of a phrase which has verb in it must be seen in the middle of the sentences. Okay, and the third example, on the table. On the table is also words which do not give, which are not conveying full meaning, so they can be present at the end of the sentence. So you see, these are three different kinds of examples of phrases, and we can find these examples at different places in a sentence. Okay. Now let's move to the other slide. We have discussed adjective, and in this slide we have discussed phrase. Now move on to the next slide. So coming to the explanation of adjective phrase, students, look here. Please focus on the screens in front of you. See here, adjective phrase and adjective phrase. Now you will be able to understand its definition. Read with me. An adjective phrase is a phrase which acts fully as adjective. Do you get my point? So, an adjective phrase is a phrase which fully acts as adjective. It means that adjective phrase are group of words, because phrase is a group of words. We have studied earlier, we have revised earlier that phrase is a group of words. So an adjective phrase is a group of words which act as adjective. Those group of words act as adjective. We know adjective is a single word, but in adjective phrase, a group of words act as adjective. Okay, it usually starts. What other knowledge is given on the screen? Read after me. You can also read. It usually starts with a preposition. Another sign of detecting an adjective phrase in a sentence is that it normally starts with prepositions. And you know what prepositions are. I've given some prepositions in the bracket. Look here. In, out, before, with, between. So what are prepositions? Students, prepositions are the words which give position of the noun or pronoun, okay, in a sentence. Prepositions are words which give position of noun or pronoun in a sentence. So an adjective, we have read that adjective phrase is a phrase or a group of words which act as adjective. And the sign of detecting an adjective phrase is that they usually start, these group of words usually start with preposition. Any preposition, okay? So some of the prepositions are given here in bracket in front of you on the screen. Another thing about adjective phrase, another definition. Yeah, look here. There is another definition for you to understand it more properly. An adjective phrase is a group of words in a sentence. It is a group of words in a sentence which act as adjective phrase. It is only explanation of the first definition that we read earlier. Here, look here. And I gave you earlier this definition. Okay, now look here at the examples given below. The small kitten on the table jumped down. The small kitten on the table jumped down. Now you can clearly see that adjective phrases or adjective phrase is highlighted in this sentence, and that is on the table. Adjective phrase is on the table. Why? Because it is starting with preposition on. It is starting with preposition on. And another thing to remember about adjective phrase is that this phrase must be present. This whole group of words must be present near a noun. See here. You can see kitten is noun. Small kitten is noun. So just after noun, this adjective phrase is present on the table. The small kitten on the table jumped down. Okay. Now look here at the other example. Look here at the other example given below, students. Can you see it? It is hidden. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's see, students. Something in the corner was moving. Look here. Something in the corner was moving. I hope it moves away. Something in the corner was moving. Something in the corner was moving. It means in the corner, the highlighted words are adjective phrase. Why? Because again, they are starting with preposition in. They are again starting with preposition in, and they are present. These group of words in the corner are present just after noun. And what that noun is, pronoun. And what that pronoun is, something. Something is the pronoun. Okay, something is pronoun. Something is also pronoun. Okay, so let's move on to the other slide. Look here, I want to explain you with a sentence where is adjective phrase, so that you can clearly understand what adjective phrase is and how it is present in a sentence. The moon in the, look here, read this sentence with me. The moon in the sky shines brightly. Read again. The moon in the sky shines brightly. So where is adjective phrase? First of all, look at the noun. So the noun is moon. Moon is noun. Moon is noun, and look just after it. So you can detect over here, it is present just behind it, in the sky. In the sky is adjective phrase. Students, in the sky is adjective phrase. Why? Because this adjective phrase group of word is starting with in, and in is preposition. So it is very much clear to you people that adjective phrase starts with a preposition. This group of word starts with preposition, and they are always behind a noun or a pronoun. If noun is not present, then pronoun can be present over here. It's not necessary that always noun is present in the sentence and then you can find adjective phrase. A pronoun can also be present instead of this moon. So adjective phrase is present behind or after a noun or a pronoun, and they always start with prepositions. Okay, now move on to the next slide, and I have an activity for you people now, and the activity is underline adjective phrases and circle the following sentences. Okay, so this is the activity for you people. Okay, so this is activity for you people. Let's see the first sentence. Birds in the flock, birds in the flock fly together. Sorry, there is a word missing over here. Birds in the flock fly together. Look here again. Birds in the flock fly together. There must be a verb fly over here. Birds in the flock fly together. Birds in the flock fly together. So where is adjective phrase? Yes, look here. The first one is being done by me, and the rest of the sentences will be done by you. Rest of the adjective phrases will be underlined or detected by you. In the flock is adjective phrase. Why? Because these group of words are starting with preposition, and they are present, and students, they are present after this noun birds. Okay, now move on to the next line. The next sentence says, she wore a crown of diamonds that night. So where can be adjective phrase? Okay, Mars, you tell me. Marsha is going to tell me in the chat. Where is adjective phrase in this sentence? Detect it. She wore a crown of diamonds that night. Where is adjective phrase? Marsha, write in the chat quickly. Yes, see, the other students are giving me the answer, and I'm waiting for Marsha. Yes, Marsha. Where is adjective phrase? Where? Yes. Of diamonds. Of diamonds is the adjective phrase. Why? Because of is preposition. Of diamonds is this whole group of word is adjective phrase of diamonds, and of is starting with preposition. This is one indication of adjective phrase. And secondly, it is present after a noun, which is crown. So Masha is given, has deducted correctly the adjective phrase in sentence number 2. Now come to sentence number 3. An elephant with a lame leg was shot there. Okay, Aisha, you tell me. Aisha is going to tell me now in the chat. An elephant with a lame leg was shot there. Where is adjective phrase? Aisha, you tell me. Yes, very good. With a lame leg is adjective phrase. Students, look here. Aisha has given absolutely correct answer. Why? Because these group of words with a lame leg, these group of words are starting with preposition with. And you can see very carefully that before these group of words is the noun present, and that is elephant. So after elephant, these group of words are present starting with preposition. So that's why these group of words with preposition are adjective phrase. Very good. Good, Aisha. Now see the fourth sentence, and that is they are auctioning the statue on display. Look here again, they are auctioning the statue. I'm reading sentence number 4. See carefully. Everybody be attentive. They are auctioning the statue on display. Students, where is the adjective phrase? Can you detect it? Can you see any preposition? Where? Yes, very good. Junaid has given me correct answer. On display. This ending words, these ending words on display is the adjective phrase. Why? Because on is preposition. These group of words, pair of words are starting with preposition. So these pair of words are adjective phrase. And another sign of being an adjective phrase is that these on display are just behind a noun, and what that noun is? Statue. Okay, so statue is noun, and just behind statue is the adjective phrase starting with preposition on display. So here we end our activity, and let's move on to the next slide, students, and that is, so what is their recapitulation? Let's recap what we have learned today in our class. We have studied the new concept adjective phrase. Okay, so let's recap this topic main points. Okay, see here. So what points we studied about adjective phrase? Adjective phrase, number 1 points. It is a small group of words that act as adjective. So adjective phrase are small group of words in a sentence that only act as adjective. Okay, now in adjective phrase, group of words act as adjective, whereas adjective is only a word. But adjective phrase are group of words acting as adjective. Okay, first point is this. Second point, always present after noun or pronoun. Yes. Another indication of adjective phrase is that they must be present after a noun or pronoun, because they describe the noun or pronoun. That's why they will be present at the behind or after noun or pronoun. And thirdly, most important point, most important sign of adjective phrase is that they must start with preposition. These an adjective phrase must starts with a preposition. Okay, major indication is that of adjective phrase that they must start with preposition, they must be present after a noun or pronoun, and they are group of words. So these are the 3 main points to remember about adjective phrases. And these 3 points make up the definition of this adjective phrase concept. Okay. Now let's move forward towards the new slide. So there is a home task after doing this topic, and the home task is do exercise of adjective phrase from textbook, your English textbook, and the pages are 4 and 5 in your note copy. You have to do this exercise in your note copy, and you have to underline adjective phrases in that exercise and WhatsApp me your homework so that I can correct it. Okay. So here we end our topic, students. In the next class, we will start, students, we will start the new chapter. Okay. And the new chapter is what? A Shot in the Dark. Okay. It's a very interesting story, and we are going to read in the next period or the next day, right? Okay. With this session, I end this class over here. We will meet again at same timing, same place, inshallah. Allah Hafiz, everybody.